Close din. Naglag din kami.
Nalaglag kami ah. Sa ano, play-in, sa ano pa.
Pangit yung ano. Dapat playoffs. Back to 0 lahat.
Kaya nga. Para mas marami yung game. Para mas marami yung laro, no, kuya? Para mas marami yung laro.
Okay, 2 points by Moving Tools.
Yan yung talagang ano. Magiinan ng mga to. Good!
Okay, here comes Jude Maturan.
For 2.
Wala.
Gagamitin nila yung katangkay. No, kuha na, tennis.
5-second shot clock.
Gano'n mo na matulog yung bigat.
3. James for 2. Miko.
Parang biglang lumak.
Okay, ganda ng pasa. Udong for 2. Wala. Okay, Christian
Walang foul.
for 2. Okay, 2 points, 6-2. Leading by Moving Tools.
Sige. Ano? Gutom na ako. Parang lahat na committee gutom. Ano? Walang rice eh. Baka magbenta na lang ako. Baka na rice dun. Magantay kami dito.
Miko for 3. Wala. Airball.
Sayang.
Rodel. Sayang.
Good.
Another one for Miko.
Oh.
Sige lang.
Wala nga yan. Wait, time out na agad.
Time out the ref. Alright, and 1 by James. Zero. Time out.
Time out.
Okay, score 9-2-2. Malakas ang start ng Moving Tools.
Si John is James siya. Hindi ko alam ba't malingit. Si John, papalitan ni mamaya James.
Pwede mo edit.
Ayaw na edit. Kailangan may copy.
$100. Sabi mo kay
Parang maganda rin sa atin.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Pre, ano? Single ka ngayon.
Here comes the Yorkville team. Nabitawan ng bola. Ito naman si RJ. Pass to Judah. Sa ilalim, same man. Alright, 2 points. Mukhang buhay na buhay ang fans club ng Moving Tools. Miko. Okay, same ball. 13-second shot clock. Jude Maturan. Wow. Sayang. Okay, same ball.
Ano yung 5 seconds na?
Brian. Ano yung pangalan? Next ko na. Sabi ko pa.
Again, Banal, pass to number 6. 30-2. Here comes Budong. Naagaw ni Miko ang bola.
Maglalaro si manager.
Kanina pa inaalat si Miko. What a pass by number 6. Number 8 for 3. Again. All right. Continue. Okay, keep going. 30 seconds. Ating game clock and 21 seconds sa shot clock.
Let's go!
Yun! Thank you very much, Henry.
3 seconds to shoot!
Brutal by John.
Number 9!
Ay! Sayang! 3 seconds. Alright, that's the end of our first half. Okay, continuous next 5. Pasok lang, continuous ang laro natin. Okay, pasok, first 5. May mga bibili dyan ng ulam. Para hindi na kayo magluluto, maraming ulam dito.
Ikaw muna. Ikaw. Sige ka lang. Ay, tol. Kain ka ulit, Pico. Next week, pre. Hey! Sorry. Ingat, Rad. Hindi, wala akong shot lang eh. Hindi yung kasalanan. Hindi, nabunot. Wala kang sa practice. Yan o. Ay, ingat.
RJ, what a pass, sayang. June Maturan,
Yes,
sir.
sir! Number 9, 2 points.
Uy, maglalaro si
Manager. Lalaro si manager.
Kanya, dapat ka, hindi ako maglalaro. Kala ko, manonood lang ako eh.
Here comes your pad.
Archaga! Go!
For 3. Ganda ng bitaw.
Short.
Ako na. Maglalaro ako.
Number 5.
Laro ko na. Sayang.
Drive to the basket. Foul counted.
Rad.
Most foul rate.
1 point lang.
Number 10.
Sila kalaban namin.
Personal foul number 10.
Kasama namin si Reagan eh.
1 free throw number 5.
Si Eugene. Si Adrian. Gilbert. Pag may
Pasok.
problema yung sakyan mo, sa kanya mo dali. Number 1 mechanic yan.
Sige, plug mo lang ako.
Mamaya, i-announce natin ulit.
Number 10 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 14. Number 14. To number 10. Bodong. Yes, sir.
Mahal ang bayan ni commissioner nito. I know.
Number 14. Drive the basket. Pass to number 11. Voila.
How good we go? Oh, you on out, huh? No, that's this one. Cool, it's cool.
Hey,
Hindi ako sa inyo
tingnan.
eh.
Tingnan.
Tatlong buwan na akong kinakakalak.
Uy, saan mo muna? Dito muna.
Great ball.
Ako na dyan.
Pre. Ingat.
Number 12 to number 1. Number 7, Pasok, 2 points. Archaga, pass to number 10 from downtown. Wala.
Small ba lang first?
Remaining time, last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 14, bang! Sabi naman yun.
Idol ko talaga yan.
Instant impact si number 14.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Wow, reverse layup.
Keep going.
Good, keep playing. Pasok.
Sorry.
Tumama na rin.
20 seconds shot clock.
Pangalan niya ay PJ.
15.
Holding.
Foul holding number 12. Ilang fouls number 12?
Hindi. Diretso lang.
Ano na ba?
Separate round. Nice job.
7. 6.
Number 11, foul counted. Grabe. Sinaksak sa ilalim.
Inis-score mo na?
One free throw for number 11.
Second personal na si James.
Number 5, second personal foul, number 5. Pasok. Free throw is good, number 11.
Dalawa pa lang siya, dalawa.
James 5!
Oh, second five. Next five.
Alright, change court na,
Yeah.
Ikaw na daw yung
Qualified.
2 weeks. Apparently 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks.
Ready? Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Oh, good game, man.
Yeah, I just couldn't stop this driving. I knew he was going to kick it every time. I needed someone out there to watch the shit.
Rematch.
I was watching Gerald and you guys are doing.
Rematch.
I just needed someone out there quick enough. It was a drive kick every play.
He knows.
Okay, next question.
Next game.
Good. So hopefully I have my other teammates as well next time. All the best, guys. Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Benny. Rin.
2 weeks. All the best.
Yes, yeah.
Relax ka lang. Ibasa mo kasi para magmamahal sila.
Alright.
Second quarter, first.
First na second.
Oy, dito! Backcourt. Hey! Second quarter pa lang!
Second quarter.
Dito pa.
Second quarter pa lang!
Sorry, we didn't explain.
Second quarter.
Second quarter.
Uy, relax ka lang.
Second quarter.
Relax ka lang.
Don't follow yung number 3 sa board.
Hindi, wala yun.
Ano yan?
Wala yan.
Wala yun.
For viewing only.
Sorry.
Number 4. Wala.
Shot clock. Nabunot sa likod. Shot clock. Bagutan mo dyan, saka may balik. Yan.
Grabe naman yun.
So good. It's so good.
Okay lang?
Injury time out. Injury time out.
Tama. Sige, kanya.
Kaya pa daw, kaya pa. All right, here we go. Number 11.
Ay, miscommunication.
Out of bounds. Bola na.
Busy.
Oh, yun o.
Nag-warm up pa. Nag-warm up. Ayan na. Ayun na, lalaro na si Chairman.
All the way. Bigay.
Number 14 to number 9. Budong. Wala. Number 4. Personal foul number 4.
Parang hindi yung ito. Hindi, ano yan? Sa inyo.
Ayan na.
Papasok na si Commissioner. Number 3. Pasok na. Instant impact to. Number 5 from downtown. Number 5, 2 points.
Diba nakakalaro ng yung Sabado rin?
Lakas yan. Lalo ngayon tumaba. Mahirap buwalin yan.
Ay, madelikado ko.
Mahirap buwalin yan ngayon.
Number 10.
Uy!
Bang!
Ngiti naman dyan! Hindi ngumingiti. Seryoso masyado.
Remaining time 2 minutes
5 seconds to shoot.
of second quarter. 5 seconds to shoot now.
Good.
Number 10, third personal foul number 10. Side ball, green ball, side ball. Number 5, jump shot, foul counted. Unguardable si number 5.
Nag-time tayo ah. Nag-time.
Miko, yes sir, jump shot.
That's too easy.
Jump shot is good. Stepping on the line. Bulang or ball or foul. For services. Our track at number 14 is dribbling the ball. Number 14 to number 4 from downtown.
Sorry, sir. Sige lang.
Wala. Foul. Who's foul rep?
Foul.
Pakitaas ng kamay yung foul. Number 11, foul.
Josh, anong ginagawa mo?
Ilang fouls number 11, Idol? First personal foul number 11. Ilang team fouls?
Continuous.
Labas lang din.
Continuous siya, continuous.
Continuous.
Four. 3, 2, 1.
Pasok. 2 points. Archaga.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Ba mo tinigil?
Si Josh na to, tinigil namin.
Alright.
Oxygen.
Next 5 players pasok. Pasok lang.
Barado yung filter.
Second.
Time, start.
Sorry.
Jowas eh.
Right, the clock is running. Number 5. Inside the paint, pasok. Grabe si number 5. Making his presence inside the paint. Number 9 to Miko. Miko to number 10. Traveling violation. Number 10. Green ball.
I'm not the ref here, though. Relax.
Number 8. Short. Number 23. Offensive rebound. First jump shot. 2 points. Number 23. Number 4. Stepping on the line. Number 4. It's green ball. Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 12.
Kanina yung jowa yun.
Kuya Mark.
Number 4. Or 3. Wala.
Manager, bigyan mo naman kami ng ano rin. Man lang get rate. Bira naman.
Ito, kalamay.
Number 7. Short circuit.
Bigyan mo naman kami get rate dito.
Mato
Ganda
ng
marami.
circuit.
Ganda.
Traveling again. Number 10.
Manager,
Hey, manager!
get rate namin dito. Naman dito.
Come on, boys!
Rate doon.
Manager! Saka naman!
Get rate namin. Pabira naman oh.
May sisig dyan, oh.
May
Number
biko
12.
pa.
Wala. Meko in a rush. Number 4. Drive to the basket.
Ay, uli.
Nagaw ng number 8.
Ano yun, naos, pachak naman.
Fast break by number 5. Pasok. 2 points.
Energy!
Tambak na. 21-38.
Manager,
Kaya-kayaan. Mahaba pang oras. To number 3.
Ayan,
Energy, guys! Energy!
Uy!
There you go!
Wala. The commissioner is in the court. Number 5, drive to the basket. Fountain. Grabe talaga itong number 5.
Foul, 23.
Huwag ka masyado dyan, suwi ka pa to.
Kinakain mo.
Wala, sanay yan sa ganyan. Sanay yan sa ganyan.
Third personal foul, number
Bumaba nga eh.
10.
Ilang team foul na sila?
One.
First team foul. Green team. Meko. Pass to the commissioner.
Yan, uli.
Right. Number 3 to number 4.
9, 8.
5 seconds.
5 seconds to
5
shoot!
seconds shot clock. 4, 3,
Uy!
in and
Oh,
out.
good!
Out jugger.
14 na, 14 seconds.
14 seconds.
Hey.
Foul. 2 free throw.
Relax lang.
Mag-sorry na.
Relax lang ha, relax. Ano lang tayo?
Free throw.
Free throw,
Free throw.
Oh my God.
First shot is good.
Stepping.
Rodel!
Stepping.
Wala ka tiwala sa sarili mo, boy ah.
So pa sabihin niya wala.
Rodel!
Hey, no counted.
Shot is good again.
Bawian yan.
40 seconds.
Remaining time, last 35 seconds. Last 18 seconds shot clock.
Siyempre, may tombayo Rodel.
15. Wala.
May tombayo, may tasya.
Two shot.
Number 10. Personal foul number 10. Fourth personal foul number 10. Warning for graduation.
Sinong warning for graduation? Warning na agad?
Second quarter pa lang. Second half na.
It just resets.
Second free throw number 5. Pasok. Number 3, the commissioner. There we go. Yes, sir. Number 9, 2 points. Grabe talaga si number 5. How to be your pro, number 5.
Wali, pag less than 14, 24.
I wanna be like you. Okay. End of first half. We are now entering the third quarter of the game.
Pandi ko mo.
And it's time for our half. Time advertisement.
Apat na lang pre.
Nico, CC.
All right.
Game. Let's go, boys. Let's have
Team
fun.
5, go on the court, please.
Gutom na.
We are now on our third quarter of the game.
Juda, di ka pa hinihingal eh.
Ang dami mong
Score
fans ah.
natin is 25-43.
Oh! Sapatos. Stop. Joke lang bro.
Meko! Nagaw!
Oh!
Pasok, 2 points, number 8.
Ay!
Nice pass,
Out.
Chairman.
Blind pass yun.
Napagod si Commissioner.
Gutom.
Gutom yan, gutom.
Hindi pa nag-dinner si Commissioner.
Di pa nagmerienda.
Hungry for more. Good.
Number 6. Assist na
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Back from the
2
dead.
points, number 21.
Ba.
Ayan, ayan.
Back from the dead.
Number 8, nagmamadali si number 8. Number 7 jump shot. Wala, short. Number 9 to number 4.
Nice one, boys.
Yes, sir. 2 points.
20 na lang.
Nico.
Si... yung matanda. Yung number 9. Bigay na.
Number
Sila na yan,
11.
Express. Express yan.
Wala.
Jowas.
Number 11. Lucky number 11. 21.
Bye-bye.
Magkalitan tayo commissioner, nandiyan pa mo silang dalawa.
Play, bro. We're getting paid. Takbo! Ay!
Lusot.
2 points, number 11.
Laban!
Lumalaban pa ang manok. Mahaba pa ang oras. Kaya pa yan. Another 2 points, number 8.
Nico.
Mix, tira mo na shots.
Miko to number 11. Number 11 to number 9. Jump shot in the middle of
Ran, I think dadan.
That's it. Good offense. Nice.
Pasok number 23. Bodong,
Nice one.
2 points.
Kaya ba? Screen, nice screen. There!
Dito, mama.
Go. Kaya! Balik! Tapo! 38 seconds. Let's go, boys.
All right, last 20 seconds. Remaining time. Rodriguez, the commissioner. Jump shot, short. Foul.
Stop mo yung time.
Number 9, foul.
Ano are you doing, bro?
Foul 25.
I just wait for the guy.
We're getting paid, bro.
The officials.
What are you
I'm gonna wait for the officials.
Oy, yung shot clock ha.
Wala na shot clock. Off na shot clock.
Di sumasagot.
Tough.
Mga nagpatay ng phone na lang yung pupuntahan natin. Nagpatay na cellphone.
Change five.
Change 5. Second half of third quarter.
Di sumasagot. Ay, hindi. Iba pa rin natawagan. Michelle pa rin.
Kaya wala kaming ano dito kahit man ng warm water. Sira.
Ha?
All right. Team 5. Please go on the court.
Hello, pare ko. May kakausap sa'yo. Ito.
Black ball. Black ball tayo, black ball. Black ball tayo, black ball. Natin.
Hindi, sa bahay.
Black ball tayo, black ball.
Yan.
Black ball.
Ano na to? Ano ba to? Ano na to? Yata to yung fourth quarter nila.
Third quarter.
Quarter pala.
Number 3, pass to number 11.
Hindi, tapos na kami.
Nice pass.
Ayaw mo tumira.
2 points, number 11.
Sige. Sige.
Ha? Kapakape? Kapakape.
Foul. Number 14. Personal foul number 14.
Bakit? Good.
Bodong to Archaga number 14. Short. Traveling violation. White ball. Black ball. Archaga. Nice pass. Nice cut, nice shot by number 11. Nice pass again, number 9, 2 points. Humahabol. 13 points na lang.
Idol ko talaga yung point guard na yun.
Watch out sa passing tayo.
Yan na, nagsalita na si manager.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hindi sila tayo. Tama, 3 points lang.
Kala ko, manunod ka lang.
Wala, kailangan daw ng tulong ng
Sige, pero lalagay ko lagi sa last game.
5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3. Keep going.
Continue.
Ball.
RJ. That's okay.
14 foul.
Warning for penalty.
Number 12, taking his time. Wala short.
Fucking hell, bro. What was that?
Number 14 to number 9.
Basic.
Gamaya pa. One to sawa to. Ha? Di mo, hindi ako makaalis.
Number 25, personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Both teams.
Black team. Number 5, to way down.
One minute.
Number 3. And stays the Daga.
Dalawa ni Chairman.
2 points.
11.
Good, good.
Number 11, John. Traveling violation.
Traveling. Good call, good call.
Naglakad sa Mars si number 11.
Good call. Witness ako, witness.
Number 5 to the basket. No foul. But for the last 10 seconds. 9. 5.
Uy, lakas pala ba nito ay?
Counted.
1 and 1.
Number 14.
Galing talaga ng point guard na yon. Galing ng point guard.
Grabe si Warren Curry.
Siya? Warren Carey.
Warren Curry with the dagger.
Parang carry.
Score natin 43.
Huwag ka muna nga alis. Sa quarter na lang yan. Tapusin mo na.
Kasi stop it pa eh.
Fourth quarter na.
We are now in our fourth quarter of our game.
Fourth quarter
Blue ball
na.
tayo, blue ball.
Ilang timeout? Dalawa pag
Dalawa.
59-43.
Score natin 59-43.
Blue ball tayo, blue ball.
All right.
Blue ball.
Black team's ball.
Blue ball.
Blow ball.
Hindi mo kilala kampi natin.
Ano yung magkaya ka naman?
Blow ball is the black ball.
Kaya mo na yun.
Ay,
Matagal
blow
mo
ball
yan.
mo.
Ako bala sa misis mo.
Ay, blow ball tayo, blow ball.
Ako bala. Ikaw
Red
kawawa.
ball.
Blue ball. Kala ko blue ball.
Hey.
Blue.
Tama.
Tama?
Blue ball.
Red, blue ball.
Sa inyo yung bola.
Blue ball.
Your ball.
Black ball. Black and white na nga. I'm only gonna say black and white para mas maiintindihan nyo. Black and white.
Ayaw nila.
Okay? Black ball.
Ayaw nyo ba? Nagre-reklamo pa kayo?
Ayaw nyo yata eh.
Black ball. There we go. Number 3. Foul. Number 12. How many fouls number 12?
Ay, nakapasok din pala si Gilbert. Or na, huli na yan, Dong.
Second.
Reset, 14, reset.
Oy!
Stop.
Time reset.
Tutulog si Joel.
14 seconds. Shut up, reset.
Ang daw inanda niya, pre, kape.
Kuya, kaya mo dito.
Hindi niya alam. Hindi, ikaw na nga. Andiyan ka na eh. OJT pa siya eh.
Number 9 to number 14 to number
Ganda lag
11.
niyan.
What a nice pass by
Talagang point
number
guard.
14. Grabe talaga si Warren Curry.
Hindi, pagka nakashoot.
Kyrie Irving.
Diretso yan, diretso. Pag foul lang, foul. Foul o, top foul.
Number 14.
Oh, stop.
Foul with 2 free throws.
Tagal pa yan. Hindi lang. Kaya mo yan. Sabi mo sa
Number
kanya.
12.
Di ba?
Okay,
Sabi mo, uuwi din ako.
Number 12, third personal foul.
Oh, yan.
First team foul.
Tsaka na lang yung transfer.
White team.
Ano ba gusto niya, Bopis? Tsaka mo na lang yung transfer.
Tatlo na tayo, tatlo. Third personal foul, number 12.
Kunin mo na, tsaka mo na lang yung transfer. Bopis yan.
Archana Wale. Grabe, behind the back, number 5. To the basket. Foul again. Number 9. How many fouls number 9?
Tumabata yung
Third personal foul. First team foul. Black team.
pasundot-sundot lang.
2 free throws awarded by number 5.
Kasi sanay mga paglaro sa mga malalaki kaya kahit bumagsak. Yan ang turo ng tatay niya. May kuya pa yun. Yung kuya, malakas na yung kuya.
Pasok!
Malakas sa kanya.
Okay, numbers. Sino pa number 6? Number 6, first personal foul. Third team foul. White team. Nice pass to number
Yoda!
12.
Ang daming pants. Ang daming pants. Kaya pag nagawa yung camera dahil.
Meko!
Andito yung financial accountant ng ano, ng Moving Tools eh. 8 seconds to shoot! Si CFO nandito yung CFO na Moving Tools. 5 seconds to shoot! 3, 2, 1!
Wala. Violation.
Let's go, boys!
Number 5.
Dinoble par.
What? Oh, ninja.
14, 4. Si ano, si Miguel.
Oh, ninja.
Oh my God!
Number 5 again. Grabe si number 5.
Oh, kaway-kaway sa fans club, oh.
May merienda na daw, sabi
Ah.
niya.
May renta. Basta may merienda.
May merienda.
Ah, kaway muna ulit. Kaway muna. Kaway.
Number 12. Nice steal by number 12. Out of bounds. Time out, Red.
Next time up.
Time out.
Naglalaro siya dito.
Sayang, oh. Pagkakataon na sanat. Bilis pa naman ang takbo mo, pre. Oh, casual game daw pagkatapos. Casual game pa daw pagkatapos.
Para matapos tayo another 2 minutes. 2 minuto na lang.
CJ!
Number 14. Here we go. Warren Curry to number 11.
Boss ka na. Ay, ilaban.
Nice steal by number 4. Johnson.
Ayos.
It's off the rim to number 11. Nice pass. It's way down under. Number 11. 2 points.
Uy, ganda. Sayang.
Number 4.
Isla!
Number 5 to the basket.
Chill!
Foul again. Substitution red. Substitution, this is fourth quarter, so they can always request a sub out. Second personal foul, number 11. 2 free throws awarded by number 5.
Wala pa.
Number 5, Mr. Unstoppable. Another free throws, number 5. What a spectacular move by number 5. Number 9. Nice block by James. Number 11. Kyrie Irving, the top of the red, drive to the basket. Counted, but people from the foul counted yun. Number 11 to number 9. From downtown, taking his time. Short circuit. Here we go. Number 6 to number 5. Yes, sir!
Ganyan din yung dinosaur dati ha. Nanalo 1 point ha.
Here we go.
Tama,
Time
tama.
out. Come out by white team.
Ha? Hindi, buhay ka pa nga eh.
All right, that's your last time out.
Bird, wala na kayong timeout ha. Wala na kayong timeout.
Last time out. Kung makatatag ka na boss, wala na kang time out ha.
Yan na yan.
All right. Team 5, please go to the court.
Magpo-point system tayo. 14 seconds lang yan ha.
Rodriguez.
Bang bang.
One up. James with a layup. One up. Number 8. Bang! 2 points. Number 8.
Dapat lagi kayo nandito. Tatlo.
There we go. Warwick Curry is back. Short. Kyrie Irving to number 8. Bang! What a pass. Substitution rin. With a timeout. Next team will rep. Timeout plays. Black team. Substitution rep. Timeout.
May barkada pa yan.
Right. Huwag mo kakalimutan itong tatlo rito ha.
Ano, pag Gatorade. Merienda daw susunod, merienda.
Merienda itong tatlo.
Merienda daw sa susunod.
Sumama ka na. Next week.
Wala next week.
Next week.
Wala tayo laro next week ha.
May event, C6 dito.
May event ba?
Alright, back to the ball game. Ang ganda ng laban. This is the finals.
Ito, kay Mark. Ito yung 18, sir.
Kaya magkaiba sila.
Dalawa yan, dalawa. Yung Laing tsaka yung Biko, 15-15. Itong ano... May bopis pa dito oh.
Alright,
Tigi-tigi
remaining
siya oh.
time, 4 minutes. Iguodala to Curry for 3. Uwi na. James 23, yes sir, Iguodala dribbling the ball. Iguodala from Hernando.
Ay!
Short.
Nabigla.
Number 9. Well, pasok 2 points. Number 9. Score natin 52-79.
Hindi man lumabas si Troy.
Number 8. Grabe. Number 4, pushing foul. Number 4.
Warning.
Graduate number 4.
Warning.
Warning for graduation number 4.
Uy, may certificate ka na.
Step back for 3. Wala.
Delikado eh.
Eh, huwag kayo matakot, kwardiyan yan.
Grabe number 11 doing a reverse layup.
Jerry.
Number 5 to the basket. Block. Pero foul yun. Number 11.
Penalty.
Graduate to number 11. Ah, hindi pa pala. Third personal foul ko.
Dagdagan mo pa. 2 minutes na lang.
2 free throws awarded by number
Dagdagan mo pa. Pwede pa isa.
For a shot, no good.
Papa, nag-open yung door.
Pasok, second free throw. Oops. Number 5, nagmamadali. Wala. Short circuit. There we go, last 2 minutes. Number 3 to number 11. Out. Pasok, number 23, 2 points. Maturan, short. Maturan again, yes sir. 2 points by number 10, Maturan. Number 6. Number 6. Foul. What's foul rep? Number 10. Graduation.
Ten, ten, ten.
Shoot.
Out of the game. Number 10.
Then at least natulit mo din.
Pasok. Warren Curry.
Bakasyon din. Sige, pre.
Thank you.
Pre, thank you ha. So, huwag ka magsasawa.
Last
Freedom. Number 6.
It's only
Second try. It's good. For number 6. Score natin, 82-56. Still by number 8. Importante yan. Motion system tayo. Ay! Shot. Number 8. Here comes Commissioner, number 3. Turnover by Commissioner number 3. Importante pa rin yan. Motion system tayo. Point system tayo pag may tiebreaker.
Dong, kuha ka na. Para maubos na.
Number 5.
Dati mo na magbabayad. Di naman ikaw.
Tama mo ulit ngayon. Number 5. Crossover dribble.
Ay ba? Puno pa yung rep.
Ang ganda. Hey, foul. Number 9.
Pasok kayo sa iyo. Yan.
Penalty tayo ng penalty. And fourth personal foul for number 9. Warning for graduation.
Naglalaro ba?
Naglaro pero mga...
First try for number 5. No good. Let's see the second try.
Nano sa yung... Patanda ba o pagdipinsok. Paano drop?
Second try. Good this time by number
Bakay mo na ugasan
5.
yan.
Kaya na yun.
Alcoholin mo na.
Score natin 86-56. Isang buwan ang lamang.
tuyo na rin.
Pamabalian dito.
Paano ka naman yung banom mo?
For three, my idol. Rebound by number 6.
Hindi, dapat ikot sana ako nun pag nakuha ko ng
Still by Commissioner.
Dapat pag-ilig-ilig.
Nahiya pa oh.
Ay, huwag ka na maya, Commissioner.
Pwede naman yun.
Ayun! Ay, nako.
Para doon tapos.
Maya ka na talaga dapat yan.
Pero ko tumakbo dito palitod.
Dapat ka na pala talaga maya.
Delikado yung point system. Hindi ka mo pa. Hindi na. Delikado nga. Huwag mo nang gagawin ulit.
Yan na eh.
28 seconds na lang. Kailangan talaga nila yung point system natin yan. Airball. Last touch by the blue. Black ball tayo.
Merienda ng mga cheerleader.
Black was over number 4. Almost. Turnover. Pero na-recover number 4. Fade away. Short. And rebound ni James. Number 5. Score natin. Final score. 58-85. Nice game.
Meron pa dito. Libre lang yan? Libre lang yan? Kanya din yung bopis. Laing. Gusto mo laing? Dila, may laing pa. Pero may laing. Kumuha ka na kanina? Ay, kumuha ka na pala eh.
Okay, best player natin.
Ubus yung aking
Nandiyan na ba yung ano? Nakuha ba ni Eugene yung kanya-kanya?
James, 39 points. 3 rebounds and 0 assists. Dami.
Salamat, bye.